Are you ready to embrace the island life in Jamaica? Whether it's a warm climate, the vibrant culture, or the slower pace of life that's calling you, we've got the ultimate guide to help you make it happen. Hi, I'm Mocha Mazel with Black Expats and Repats in Jamaica. I have been in Jamaica for over 4 years now, and I have an experienced team of people who have migrated to Jamaica or have returned to Jamaica. And we are here to help you make your goals a reality. Okay, so our Moving to Jamaica for Beginners webinar will walk you through every step of the relocation process or journey. It will cover things you probably didn't think about, and we answer all of your questions that you have, no matter what it is. Okay, so stick around so you can get just a tidbit and see why this webinar will be your best bet in regards to taking your first step towards making Jamaica home. So, why Jamaica? Well, for me, I love the beautiful island of Jamaica. I love the vast terrain. It's such just a beautiful, majestic place. That was a highlight for me. But for a lot of people, they love the warm year-round weather. They love the vibrant and welcoming culture. They may or may not love the cost of living depending on where you're staying and what you're working with budget wise. And they just love, the fresh and the natural life and the more slower pace and just the more access to natural living that Jamaica has to offer. Okay, so for me, moving to Jamaica was an awesome decision. I'm so glad I did it. And I wouldn't go anywhere else to live long term. It was definitely a place that resonates with me, and hopefully, it will be a place that resonates for you as well. So, if that's something that draws you in, great. Okay, we're going to touch on some more things because, Jamaica is more than sunshine and reggae and beaches. Okay, Jamaica has a lot to offer. Again, depending on what your personal goals are and what it is that you seek to accomplish with your relocation journey. So, of course, you'll get some of the great Jamaican street food. You can mingle with the locals and you can experience nature. But here's why we think you need to join our webinar if you think Jamaica is a place for you. Okay, so there are challenges when you are relocating to a new country without guidance. So, the same as when people have intentions on migrating to America or wherever they plan to go, they typically start seeking out some type of help or guidance. That would be the same wherever you go. That includes Jamaica, okay? Moving to a new country can feel overwhelming, especially without the right information. Okay, a lot of people have the common challenges of navigating immigration and visa requirements, finding safe and affordable housing. Again, that's depending on you and your budget, and that is relative. Okay, adjusting to the local culture and lifestyle, setting up finances, healthcare, utilities. You want to understand the importance of preparation. Okay, these challenges are manageable when you know what to expect and you have people helping and guiding you along the way. Okay, so paperwork, housing searches, you can ask all your questions regarding those things, and we also will be relocate. We also will be launching relocation tour packages to help you completely with this process entirely. So, why you want beginner friendly relocation tips? Okay, we have the experience, the first hand experience, and we have the knowledge. This goes beyond, online forums and things. We've been here on the ground. We know what to do, and we know what's going to be the best way to help you get started on your journey. Okay, our webinar will cover the visa options and the residency permits. We will cover those things in details. We'll tell you what you need to prepare for your move, budget wise, what the temporary housing options are, setting up utilities and things like that. We'll help you, give you insight on which location may be better for you because Jamaica is different depending on which parish you're going to. It has a different vibe, it has different things to offer. And especially as a new person coming in, you're probably going to need more accessibility to things than the person who's been living here all their life. Okay, so we're going to help you make sure that you are in the right location Again, depending on what your goals are. Okay, whether it's city living, rural living, you want to mix in between, we're going to help you again depending on what it is that you want. Okay, we're going to help you understand the culture, and how to familiarize yourself with the Jamaican language and the Jamaican customs. Okay, and you get access to our community. And when we have events and we have, whatever we're launching, you'll know. And you'll know when we have get-togethers and things like that. Okay, so it is very convenient to help you feel welcome and settle in, and familiarize yourself for what you need to do to make Jamaica a realistic option for you. Okay. And again, why attend the webinar? It is designed for beginners. Okay, it simplifies complex topics and provides step-by-step guidance. You will gain insider tips from the experts again who've been here for a while, and who have returned, not just expats like myself, but the returning residents as well. You'll get help with understanding the logistics, like those important things that you need to be focused on to integrate into Jamaican society. We have a Q&A session to address, whatever your concerns are. Again, Jamaica is a lovely place. It does have a reputation. And so we're going to help you again. When we say we're here to help you navigate everything, we're here to help you navigate everything, okay? And just whatever it is you need to start getting organized and start preparing yourself, okay? So we've had a few webinars before. All our attendees are really moved, and they're grateful for the information and the help that they received. Like I said, we're looking to roll out things to help serve people better and serve you more, and give you again a more easier, smoother process for relocating to Jamaica. And of course, all those links will be in the description. So, how to join our webinar? You can go to our Eventbrite page. It is berjamaica.eventbrite.com. And again, if you subscribe, you will see everything that we have to offer and what we plan to roll out, soon. I'm not going to drop the surprise just yet, but we do have other things that we're planning on again to help serve you better. And you can also just visit our website and see what else we have to offer. Along with webinars, we do offer one-on-one consultations. If you need something more specific, if you need more hand-holding, we do offer services regarding that. And again, to help you with your immigration process to Jamaica. So again, you don't have to just stress and be worried about moving to a new country. You get a whole lot of help, again, from experienced people, so that'll take some of the ease. Well, it'll give you more ease and take off some of the stress, all right, when you're preparing. So if you are ready to make your move stress-free, don't wait. Get your ticket to Moving to Jamaica for Beginners webinar. Get your ticket today on Eventbrite. So make sure you secure your spot. And again, subscribe to the page so you'll know when we are hosting the next one, and we're hosting other things. Okay. So your dream life in Jamaica is closer than you think. All right. Get the right tools, get the right guidance. You can make it happen. We will see you at the webinar. Okay. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. And if you have questions, our contact information will be in the description. Okay.